Welcome back. So it turns out I am going to just finish off these square roots here for these exercises, so we'll just go ahead and finish 11 through 14. Okay, so again, we'll simplify the square root of 108, which I can see is divisible by 9. You can tell something's divisible by 9 if you add up all the digits, and that number is divisible by 9. So for example, 1 plus 0 plus 8 equals 9, which divides evenly by 9, so we can divide it by 9. So it's going to be root 9, excuse me, times 12. Okay, and so the square root of 9 then is going to be 3 times the square root of 12. 12, though, can still simplify. 3 times root 4 times root 3, which gives me 3 times 2 times root 3, which gives me 6 root 3. So this 6 at the end here indicates that I could have taken that square root of 108 and divided it by 36. Like so. Okay, why don't you guys go ahead, pause the video, try 12, 13, and 14 on your own, see what you can do, and then I'll replay the video, or restart the video, not restart it, but play the video then from there, and I'll show you the answers. Okay, so 250, I can see that's divisible by 25 and 10, and the square root of 25 is 5. Okay, square root of 200, I can divide that by 100 and into 2. And square root of 100 is 10. So it's 10 root 2. And finally, 504. Well, that one here, I'm having a little bit of trouble seeing what I can divide by, except if I add the digits, I can see it's divisible by 9. So we'll say square root of 9 times the square root of 56, which is then 3 root 56. But 56 I can divide into 4 and 14, which gives me 6. I'll go ahead and do the 6. So 3 times 2 times root 14, which is 6 square roots of 14, which again, whoops, 16, 14, which again indicates that that root 54 we could have done as root 36 times root 14, which would give us the 6 root 14. 14 can break down into 2 and 7, but again, not helpful because you can't take the square root of 2 and you can't take the square root of 7. All right, so in summary, right, square roots of non-perfect squares can be simplified by using the factors of that number. Any perfect square factors of a number can be simplified. Okay, and there's our example right there. 72 is not a perfect square, but we can still simplify the square root of it by breaking it into 36 and 2, and then simplifying that square root of 36 to be just 6, and then leaving the root 2 because we can't square root it. Whoops. And our final answer is 6 root 2. Notice there's no plus or minuses here. There's no equation, so it's always going to be a positive square root when you simplify. All right. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you guys in the next lesson.